Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to track your measurement inside of your MyFitnessPal application. So, one thing as always, if you are using phone, go ahead and open it through your phone. If you are, for example, using iOS, download it through your App Store. If else, you can use Android and download through your Google Play. For those who are using PC like me, you can just go ahead to your browsers and then go to the URL section and open myfitnesspal.com. Now, as you can see, this is the page that will open for us after we create our account, which is a really simple process. They will ask you for email, password, and then some body informations. So you put your height, weight, and your goal, and then your state if you are active or not. So after you finish this process, this page will be opened for you. Now, what we're gonna do to track our measurement or to see our measurement, or even to add more measurements about our body, what you'll have to do is first you can go to my home and then to check in. So after you click on check in, you will find here other measurements. So for example, if you have like the measurement of your neck, you can put it here. You can put your waist measurements in here, hips in here. If you want to add other things, for example, you can add a description. For example, you can add whatever you like, your bicep, your tricep, or whatever it is. You can edit previous entries if you want. You can enter today's weight if you want to add it really. You can even, for example, you have added some wrong weights at the beginning, so you can go to settings, and from here you go to update diet fitness profile, and you click on it. After you click on it, you can actually change the current weight, starting weight, height, goal, etc., and even date of birth to see your age and etc. So yeah, guys, that's what's it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.